Let the fuel fly. All right, red and blue. About even. Here comes the Red Alliance with a whole bunch. That's 58-29. Audibots. Blue Alliance, human player with a couple of shots there. Red getting ready to transition over to blue. Blue now has the active hub. Blue Alliance, your time to shine. We got Rogue Rangers launching a few. 4063s getting ready to come back over to their alliance zone. They've got a robot full of fuel. Some defense by the foe. Here comes the Red Alliance. It's their turn now. We got Audibot shooting. We got 4332 shooting. We got the Cycle Breakers. Audibots. All right, the red's blinking. Time to go back over to the Blue Alliance. They are now active on their hub. Even players shooting, scoring. We got Fofo interfering with TrikR4kidz, playing a little bit of defense. Nothing wrong with a little defense. All right, there we go. There's TrikR4kidz. All right, back to the Red Alliance. We got Cycle Breakers and we got Audibots. Just a flurry of fuel going into the hub. We got 4332 coming back over into their side. Red still has control of their hub. It's 30 seconds left. Both are active. End game. Red Alliance, Blue Alliance scoring. Red Alliance has got a lot more fuel going in. They are already ready to go for this match. 3 seconds left. Can they reach 200? It's going to be close. Winning the match, 199-89. So that wraps up round 2. Alliance 2 wins this one, and they move on in the upper bracket to round 4, match 11. While Alliance 3